Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about tulip flower. It's look like a real tulip. Okay, we use paper and curve it in a triangle shape. Okay, cut it. Now fold like this in this a triangle shape. Okay, we draw petal shape on this and cut it with a scissor. Other paper on it. Okay, cut the scissor to make a proper shape. Okay, look, it looks amazing. Okay, we use a pencil to shape of curve. Look, it looks amazing. It's, we we take a pencil and fold it slowly. Okay, look, it look like amazing. Other flower, cut it with a scissor and draw a shape of a petal. Okay, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Draw a shape. I use this color, but you use any color of it to make a tulip. Curve with the pencil or a other thing, but we curve it with the slowly hands. Use a glue and paste it. It looks like a real tulip. Okay, 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 okay. Looks. I use in this small teeny flower and paste it. No, it's not look amazing. It looks like amazing. Okay, please subscribe my channel and thank